Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread without a microwave using an easy method. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe for the best flavor. You will need basic pantry staples like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and large eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to grease your loaf pan well to prevent sticking, ensuring easy removal after baking. Start by mashing your 3 very ripe bananas in a large mixing bowl until mostly smooth. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of melted butter and 2 large eggs into the mashed bananas. Then, gently stir in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until everything is well combined. This creates the moist base for your delicious banana bread, ensuring a rich and sweet flavor.
Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
In a separate bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet banana mixture. Fold them together gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough banana bread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the greased loaf pan. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.